Before setting out to create a dash camera, Vava asked XA0 consumers what they would like in the perfect camera. The result of that feedback comes in the form of the Vava Dash, which was launched as a Kickstarter campaign in January 2017. Vava director Jay Lin said that the company utilized the Kickstarter platform because XA0 loves the instant community feedback and suggestions on new features. The campaign currently has over $200,000 in backing. We got XA0 an early example of the Dash to see what makes this camera so special. Unlike many Kickstarter campaigns, the team at Vava is an established business with popular products like the Vava Voom Bluetooth speaker. This maturity shows in the slick product packaging and overall quality of the Vava Dash components. Within the attractive packaging, you will find the puck-shaped camera body, a 32GB micro SD card, 14-inch USB cable with inline GPS module, magnetic swivel mount, 12V car charger with built-in 300 mAh power bank, and the snapshot button. The camera body is lightweight black plastic, 5 inches in diameter and 1 inch in height. The camera itself records at a resolution of 1:920 xd71080 1080p at 60 fps. The 140-degree field of vision is one of the lower we have seen but seems to work well for in-car footage. An important design element of the Vava Dash was the ability to swivel the camera 360 degrees to capture the inside of the car when necessary. Therefore, the windshield suction mount attaches to the camera through a magnet and can be rotated to face the outside or inside of the car by hand. According to Vava, the idea to face the camera inside the car came from the popularity of videos like James Corden's You can power the camera through a regular USB charger or using the included Vava charger and power bank. The power bank is one of the more innovative items we have seen and allows the camera to work in standby mode for up to 30 days. The idea to face the camera inwards came from the popularity James Corden's carpool karaoke. This is a big improvement, as many dash cameras need XA0 to be hardwired into your car's electronics to get a parking mode or standby mode to work with the car off. When in standby mode, the Vava Dash will only record once the G sensor is triggered by an accident or intruder. In